Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular new WordPress website, how you can activate Bing Webmaster tool with a one-click option. Anything not require any code will be here. But Bing Webmaster activation purpose, first of all, we can go to the Bing Webmaster tool. When you can activate Bing Webmaster tool, first of all, we have to log in. Your option name is called Google. Whatever your Google account will be here, you can log in with your Google account option. After account login, we have two options will be there. Direct activation will be Bing by manually or import from the Google Search Console. Then mean by, first of all, to activate Google Search Console. Simple one click for Google Search Console option. Now click will be here. Once it's activated, simple, what are the Search Console? Click for import. How many websites you have? Everything will be import from the your particular Gmail. So Google Search Console Gmail is accepted. Bing Webmaster, Microsoft, Facebook, everything accepted. Which account will be set up with this Google Search Console will be acceptance by will be Google account only. So log in with Google in Bing Webmaster and set up the file and which website you can import. Click for the import from your Google Search Console option. So that is called Bing Webmaster tool to activation purpose. The one-click procedure is called Google Search Console. So once you activate Google Search Console, automatically activate by the Bing Webmaster. So if any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.